The holidays are almost here, so let's kick things off with my Holiday Cookie Martini. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're making something a little special and very fun. We're making my Holiday Cookie Martini. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is prepare our glass. Now, I love doing things like this for a party or just because it's Tuesday or whatever. It's so much fun. We're going to start by using some cake frosting. And then we're going to use some sprinkles. The cake frosting will make the sprinkles stick to the glass. Now, frosting is a little different to use, but I found the easy thing is with a little spatula, you just gently paint up, just like that, just around the tip of the glass. Just enough to get a little bit of frosting on the rim. Now let's talk sprinkles. I'm using red and green and white. These are Christmas sprinkles because we celebrate Christmas. You could change this to whatever type of sprinkles you want. Maybe you want blue and silver for Hanukkah. Maybe you want the colors of Kwanzaa. You could do black and gold for New Year's, green for St. Patty's, whatever it is you want. Now all we need to do is roll this in these sprinkles and get them to stick. May take a couple passes, but this is so much fun, and for a special occasion, you can't beat it. All right, now how is that? How pretty. So I'm gonna set this aside. Now let's build our cocktail. We're gonna start with some half and half. Here's what we have. We need 4 ounces, 120 mils of half and half, right in our glass. Next up is a favorite of a lot of people. We have Bailey's Irish Cream. We just need 2 ounces, 60 mils, right in our glass. Vodka is next, but not just any vodka. We're using vanilla vodka. Now this is something that when I first bought it, I thought, I'll never use that. Guess what? I use it in more things than I realized I ever would. Same amount, 2 ounces or 60 mils, right in. And finally, some Amaretto. This is my particular favorite. Same amount, 2 ounces, 60 mils. So it's a pretty easy cocktail to make, and this is going to make two cocktails, this amount. All right, you know what's next. Shaky, shaky. Here we go. It already smells good. It smells like Christmas. Let's bring our glass back. Now I'm going to double strain this. I don't want any little ice crystals in there. So we'll do it carefully. How fun. That looks delicious. So let's give it a taste. Yeah. That, to me, tastes like a warm Christmas cookie. It's creamy, it's sweet, but not over sweet. And it's a little complex between the Baileys and the Amaretto and the vanilla vodka. It all comes together, it's warming and luscious. And of course, it's fun with the jimmies on the end. As always, we will see you on Tuesdays for our regular episodes, Fridays for Basic Skills or Cocktail Friday, and every other Sunday for our live stream. So while I sneak off and finish my cocktail, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. Until next time, cheers.